great feature I want to share with you that's now available to you as an XSitePro version 2.5 user are the new, improved QuickPage templates and something else a little bit special, which I'll come on to in a moment. If I hop through to this existing website, to the web page list, you can see here a list of web pages that I've already created. If I wanted to use the QuickPage tool to create new web page content, all I need to do is to go to the other tab and select QuickPage, and it's going to take me into the QuickPage module, which you'll see loading right now. Okay, the first thing I want to point out is that we have new styles, some great new styles. Some of these you'll be familiar with from the version 2.x, but with 2.5 we've added some great new look templates across all of the different categories. So you'll see things like the corporate one, you'll see the green business style, minimal, all of these additional styles. You've got a great additional selection there to use, which are going to really help you crank out some fabulous looking content. This is another one that looks just great. And of course, as with version 2.x, those styles are stretched across all of the different page types. So the contact us page, press release page, privacy statement page, and product page. And this is the second exciting bit of news that we have a new page type altogether. We have the product review page. And this is a page that's designed to basically make it super quick for you to put together review pages. This is something that our users asked us for, and so we've happily produced this for you to make it really simple, really quick to put out great looking product review pages. Why would you want to do that? Well, of course, product review pages are a well-established, proven method for generating sales via affiliate product referrals. So you can see the different styles there. Once again, you have for each of the different product review pages. I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate this to you in action right now by selecting this one, the minimal style. And you can see that you've got some custom fields here specific to the product review type of page. I'm going to go ahead and just fill this out right now. So I'm going to do a little quick review here of XSitePro version 2.5. Obviously, I've just created some text here, which I'm going to drop in here. Wrong field. Okay, so I'm going to give it a 5-star rating. We can select an image that we think is an appropriate image for the product. I'm just going to scroll through here and choose a pack shot. Obviously, you can use the image library as standard to select an image. You can browse your hard drive and so on. And we can place the review text in as well. So I've just grabbed a piece of text here just for illustrative purposes. And put some pros in and put some text in there for the cons and a conclusion. Okay, so all we're doing is basically following the standard, the typical review format. So having a heading, a subheading, pricing, a rating, of course, a pack shot just to help people visualize the product that you're reviewing, the actual review text itself, so a list of pros and cons, and then a conclusion that's really a call to action. And if we click next, we see a preview of the page that we can actually customize, drop the fonts in to match our house style. If we've used a different font, for example, for our body text and our heading text, we can, change the text throughout the design there, just using the controls on the left-hand side. And when we're happy and we think we've done enough, all we need to do is to click the Create Page button to view that page now in XSitePro. And that's it. We've got the page designed here. If I just scroll down, we can see there's the pack shot, the conclusion, the pros and cons, and so on. So I'll just preview that page very quickly. And there we have it. 5-star rating, price. It's a nice, neat layout. And it just sort of speeds the whole process along, which of course is something that QuickPages was designed to do. So that's a great new piece of content that you've got access to here in the QuickPage reviews template. Okay, so that's fine if we wanted to create brand new page content, but what about if we want to just add pieces of content in page? So let's, for example, hop over to an article. Let's say that we wanted to add some content in the middle of this page. We don't want to create a whole new page from scratch. Well, we've got that covered too. How? Well, we've introduced a brand new feature in XSitePro version 2.5 called Quick Content, and it's obviously related to the QuickPages module. If I go ahead and select it, you'll see that not only do we have access to some of the same styles, page types that you're familiar with, article content, contact us content, and so on, we also have dividers. This is something that's exclusive to the Quick Content tool, so I can click through here and you see a range of different dividers to divide up your content nicely. Okay, we also have headers, so we can insert different sort of headings. These are section headings that can help you break up your content and make it look incredibly professional. And these, again, unique to version 2.5. We also have testimonials. If I click through some of these, you'll see that you can add some fantastic looking testimonial call-out boxes, things that are going to make your testimonial content look really, really professional, yet it's only going to take you a matter of a minute or so to crank out these great pieces of additional content. So for example, let's just go ahead with one of these. If I pick Creative 7 and click Next, we can go ahead and enter the testimonial information. So I'm just going to enter a testimonial to demonstrate how quick it is to use. Let's say the best version of XSitePro ever. Author Richard Butterworth. URL text XSitePro.com. We can select an image, of course, of the person leaving the testimonial. In this case, I'll just grab a photo that we can use here and give it some alt text, and we'll pop some testimonial text in. So I very quickly filled out the form. Of course, you're going to enter the actual testimonial details that you have from the person who submitted the testimonial, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And there we have it, nice and neatly laid out. Once again, we have the style controls on the left-hand side that enables us to customize this, to tie it into the global style for our site. Having satisfied myself that this is the testimonial I want to feature, I just go ahead and click Finish. And that's it. It doesn't get much simpler than that. Let's just center that text there in the text. And you can see that we very quickly, in a matter of seconds, we've gone ahead and inserted some great looking testimonial content into the page using the new Quick Content tool. So if I just preview this right now, we'll see how this looks when we actually look at it in a browser. And you'll see that we're achieving a really professional look. Can you see that we've got a lovely looking testimonial there mid-page, and it really sets the page off, draws attention to that testimonial content, that social proof in a professional way. So another great tool in version 2.5, the Quick Content tool, which much like the Quickpages tool, makes professional content super easy to add in XSitePro.